making myself a seating area here, so redesigning what was already there, as the soil was way too higher than the slabs, and over the years they've dropped, so making a new pattern going along there. I did the first up to there is done, so go along there and then just move further back as I go along. The stones are just put straight on the soil. There's no need to cement them in, no need to hardcore. Got lovely soil underneath, which means the worms and the plants all around the borders will benefit from the moisture from the complete square. And anytime I want to change in a few years, anything dips, just lift the slab up, stone up, chucks a bit of soil in there and just push it back down again. So I'll let you all know when it's finished, but I've got my swing chair and I've got a round table to sit there, so I can sit and have a nice cup of tea and talk to you all. Thanks for watching. Follow for more updates.